Good morning, everyone. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan raised the issues of canal water health services in assembly. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan raised the issues of canal water health services in the assembly. Allegations of nepotism in jobs against former CM Bhupendra Hooda. BJP MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan raised issues of canal water health services and development in Dadri area in the assembly. He said that very little water comes in the canals during the month, while health services should be completed in the civil hospital during this. He also accused former Chief Minister Bhupendra Singh Hooda of nepotism in jobs. MLA Sangwan said during his question hour in the assembly that due to very little water coming in the canals, including Dadri distributor, Bon distributor, Loharu canal, especially the farmers are not getting water for farming. He raised the demand for making canal water available in sufficient quantity, along with providing ultrasound machine in civil hospital of Charki Dadri. He also raised the issue of filling up the posts of doctors in hospitals and providing health services. MLA Sunil Sangwan said in the assembly that the allegations of MLA Om Prakash Yadav regarding irregularities irregularities in the inspector recruitment of 2009 were cracked. He said that my father used with the Congress government at that time. My father also worked with the roll number of a son of a poor family of our constituency. He was told that if you have a brother or nephew, then the slip, otherwise leave it. Sunil said that we did not have any brother or nephew, but that time even the child of that poor family was not selected. Sunil Sangwan alleged that in that recruitment, the nephew of the chief minister, the nephew of his madam, and the brothers and nephews of many leaders were selected.
इट्स योर डिसीजन। ठीक है, सुनील सागवान नहीं, अब कोई नहीं बोलेगा। अब कोई सुनील सागवान का समय शुरू हो रहा है, अब कोई नहीं बोलेगा। सुनील सागवान आप
सर सबसे पहले तो मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा मुख्यमंत्री जी का, जिन्होंने दादरी के अंदर आर्म्ड फोर्सेज प्रिपरेटरी इंस्टीट्यूट की मंजूरी दी।
बस ठीक है, अब बीच में कोई इंटरप्ट नहीं करेगा।
सर बेदी जी एक मिनट रुक जाओ।
हाँ ठीक है
सर, मेरा समय खत्म हो रहा है।
ठीक है मंत्री जी नहीं यार, इतना भी मत करो। नहीं
सर, सबसे पहले तो मैं मुख्यमंत्री जी का धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा। दादरी के अंदर इन्होंने आर्म्ड फोर्सेज प्रिपरेटरी इंस्टीट्यूट की जो घोषणा की है उसके लिए, क्योंकि उसके अंदर सर एनडीए के जितने भी बच्चे पेपर की तैयारी करेंगे उनकी ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी, एसएसबी की ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी। हमारा इलाका फौजी इलाका है सर, उसके बनने के बाद हमारे इलाके को बहुत सारा फायदा होगा, जिसके अंदर आर्मी के अंदर ऑफिसर्स बेशुमार जाएंगे। स्पीकर महोदय, आपने मेरे को 5 मिनट का समय दिया है, लेकिन मैं 2 मिनट के अंदर ही कंक्लूड करूंगा। सिर्फ एक रिक्वेस्ट हाथ जोड़ के कर रहा हूं मुख्यमंत्री जी से, और एक रिक्वेस्ट हाथ जोड़ के कर रहा हूं मैं मेरी छोटी बहन श्रुति चौधरी से। हमारी दादरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी बोंद डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी है सर, उसके अंदर पानी नहीं आ रहा है सर। बहन जी कह रही थी कि 8 दिन पानी आ रहा है, उसके अंदर पानी मुश्किल से 2 या 3 दिन आ रहा है, जिसके लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ वाटर वर्क्स भरे जा रहे हैं सर। खेती के लिए कोई पानी का यूज नहीं हो रहा, क्योंकि पानी आ ही नहीं रहा जी। मैं दोनों से हाथ जोड़ के इस सदन के अंदर ये रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं कि मेरे को नहर का पानी दे दिया जाए। और सबसे बड़ी, अब ये साथी चले गए, मेरे फादर इनकी सरकार के अंदर शामिल थे। मेरे फादर एक हमारे कार्यकर्ता की पर्ची लेके गए इसी थानेदार की भर्ती के अंदर, जिस थानेदार की भर्ती के अंदर ये विरोध करके बाहर चले गए। तत्कालीन मुख्यमंत्री ने ये कहा कि भाई भतीजा हो तो बता, नहीं तो नहीं लगेगा। भाई भतीजा कोई था नहीं सर, कोई एक गरीब कार्यकर्ता था तो वो सारे भतीजे इनके लगे, वो चाहे भूपेंद्र सिंह हुड्डा का भतीजा लगा हो, चाहे इनकी मैडम का भतीजा लगा हो, चाहे आनंद सिंह दंगी का भतीजा लगा हो, सबके सारे के सारे रिश्तेदार थे सर इनके। अब वो भागे सारे, क्योंकि उनको सच्चाई सुनने की हिम्मत नहीं है।
देखिए सुनील जी,
जी सर,
किसी का नाम आप ना लें, आप अपनी बात रखें।
बस मेरी तो
नहीं सर, आप अपनी बात रखें
सर। मैं
आप अपनी बात रखें।
हाँ, मैं विनती करता हूँ सर,
जो सदन के अंदर उपस्थित नहीं है, जो सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, कृपया उसका नाम ना लें।
मैंने नाम
डांगी का नाम
है सर, जो सदन के सदस्य हैं।
आनंद सिंह डांगी इस सदन के सदस्य नहीं है।
मैंने
ठीक है, आप जो सदस्य नहीं है उसका नाम नहीं कोई भी लेगा।
सर मैं हाथ जोड़ के मेरी छोटी बहन श्रुति से और मुख्यमंत्री जी से ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि दादरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी और बोन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी और लुहारू कैनाल इनके अंदर पानी उचित मात्रा में दिया जाए। धन्यवाद सर टाइम देने के लिए।
On the instructions of Chief Minister Nab Singh Saini, SDM Ashish Sangwan along with officials of various departments heard the problems of the citizens in the Samadhan camp organized in the mini Sachivalay auditorium and give instructions for their solution. On Tuesday, instructions were given to resolve the complaints received in the camp on the spot. Officials said that the Haryana government has taken this new initiative called Samadhan Prakoshtha, which aims to organize the complaint redressal process and ensure their timely resolution. Each complaint is being documented with the complainant's PPP ID, the concerned department and the details of the complaint. He said that the problems coming in the Samadhan camp are being resolved on a priority basis. Departmental officials are engaged in promptly resolving the problems of the people who come to the Samadhan camps with their problems. The complainants coming to the camp are appreciating this initiative of the government. The problems of many people are resolved on the spot, after which they express their gratitude to the administration and the concerned officials. IGNOU again extended the last date of admissions till March 31st. Charkhi Dadri, March 18th. The Master in Social Work (MSW) program provides opportunities to learners for higher studies in professional social work. Apart from offering core courses related to social work courses around the world and in India, it includes theory papers on some relevant areas of social work जैसे globalization, migration, history of social work in India, social work practice and courses on HIV, AIDS which are expected to be highly useful in the context of the present times. Giving information, Dr. Dharmpal, Regional Director, IGNOU Regional Center Karnal, said that the practical components have been carefully designed to provide practical training to the learners, which will enable the candidates to find suitable placements within and outcoming the country. The Bachelor Degree Program Social Work (BSW) is for those candidates who are interested in providing professional assistance to needy people. Individuals with professional training, degree in social work usually work in socially relevant areas जैसे healthcare, community development, education, industry, counseling, family, reform, social defense, women, children, disability, इत्यादि. Students who wish to enroll in Master in Social Work (MSW) and Bachelor in Social Work (BSW) courses can enroll by visiting IGNOU की website. The last date for admission in all courses of IGNOU, except certificate and semester-based courses, has been extended till March 31st. The district administration is working actively to conduct the Haryana School Education Board examinations without cheating. Under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, SDM, education officers and flying squads are continuously inspecting the examination centers. SDM Ashish Sangwan inspected the examination centers of Biri Kalan and Saranpur villages of the district. SDM said that under the guidance of the Deputy Commissioner, the Administration and Education Department are working continuously to organize copy-free examinations. UMC has been registered during surprise inspections at various examination centers by flying teams. He said that copy-free examination is the top priority of the administration and any kind of negligence will not be tolerated in this. He has instructed the officials and employees appointed at the examination centers to be vigilant and strict action will be taken against these found involved in copying and getting it done. The dream of the poor to have their own house will come true with the Chief Minister Urban Housing SCHEME2. Eligible can apply online till the 31st of March 2025. Charkhi Dadri, March 18th. The Chief Minister Urban Housing Scheme 2.0 is being implemented by the state government to give one marla arthat 30 square yard plot for just 1 lakh rupees to Antyodaya families to make their dream of having their own house in the urban area come true. In this scheme, priority is given to the families of nomadic caste. Eligible persons can apply under this scheme by depositing the minimum amount by the 31st of March 2025. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that under the Chief Minister Urban Housing Scheme being implemented through the Housing for All Department, a provision of subsidy of 2100 INR 50,000 has been made for house construction. Under the scheme, families with annual income of 1100 INR 80,000 are eligible for this. Under the scheme, online transparent process of allotment is being adopted through the website. From applying online to making maps of all sites available on the website and simple booking payment options have been made available. He said that in June last year, provision of plots has been made for 708 families of the district. For more information in this regard, visit the department's telephone 0172 352 0010 or portal HFA, Haryana, Government in